Pärnu turul asub ka linna parim Aasia maitseid pakkuv toidukoht Hõbetaldrik. Siin pakutakse Hiina, India ja Tai roogasid. Kokk teab täpselt, mida ta teeb, kuna valmistab oma kodumaa toite.
So what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Vivek Thakur. I'm from India.
Why are you in Pärnu?
I'm working in Hõbetaldrik restaurant since maybe last 1 year.
What Pärnu customers like the most? What is their favorite foods in here?
In here, they mostly like sweets, like a sweet and sour chicken, honey chicken, and mostly we have one combo food like a chicken tikka with rice naan and butter chicken with rice naan, dal makhani with rice naan. They eating like little bit sweets, not spicy.
Nädala sees rõõmustavad kliente lõunapakkumised. Hõbetaldrik on avatud hiliste õhtutundideni ja siit on võimalik osta kaasa, tellida toit koju ning ka reserveerida tähtpäevadeks laud.